reduce.
Menteri Ketenat Kam Jungkai Pak Lyngdoh ulah pentip bak Jingpynkynriah ya palat ars Pak Ngut Nongdie Madan ke besong mentah kathan kendailat. On sala ban pendap Hashuwa Bnai Jylliew matau senem. Habak kena bagi nong tok kubur hadirin bak lawan nak Strawberry Festival. Ubak pol ulaong bagi larai ban benar baya ka kendailat kan longkum ka lentiat kejan. Hakaba on syak ki kali ban yat bat ka kam halor kani kelayak cakaman. Kat kumu bak pol on sala ban Jylliew yakin Nongdie Madan Hashuwa Bnai Jylliew.
The idea of how Shillong and Kendailat will be declared as a pedestrian zone where there will be no vehicular traffic inside as you enter Kendailat. We have already made tremendous progress in this respect, and within the month of June, we should be in a position to relocate about 200 vendors, street vendors who are currently operating and running their business at Kendailat, and they will be rehabilitated.
Hagini ki por